The ultimate Superyacht Showdown is on at the Dubai Boat Show, as the world's richest billionaire unveils his new 328-foot superyacht. The boat, named Lana, is priced at an astounding $1.5 billion. And guess what? Only 1 out of 3 people on Earth can even afford to charter this luxurious vessel. But hold on, there's more. The show has plenty more to offer visitors, including a stunning 170-foot yacht that has never before been seen in the Middle East. This beauty boasts a jaw-dropping infinity pool and can accommodate up to 12 guests. Oh, and did we mention it was built by none other than iconic fashion designer Giorgio Armani? Now that's what we call luxury. So, if you're in Dubai this weekend or planning a trip soon, make sure to check out the Dubai International Boat Show and be amazed by these incredible superyachts. And don't forget to follow along on our social media for all the latest updates from the show. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you there.